Hi, this is Greg from Structural Toolkit. Loading Structural Toolkit projects over a VPN or network drive can often be slow and in some instances cause project corruption or errors. To get around this, you could manually copy over the project from your network drive onto your local drive before starting Structural Toolkit, and then when done and closed out of Structural Toolkit, copy it back. However, this can be a tedious process. Instead, you can use the network checkout feature, where when turned on will detect if the project you are trying to open is located on a physical network drive and ask if you want to check out the project folder onto your local drive. When you're done with the project, it will be checked back in by either closing the project or the program itself. Do note that this does not work for cloud storage such as Google Drive or Dropbox. To access the network checkout feature, first have Structural Toolkit open and go to File, Options, and in general check the first option under Network Checkout. With the first option ticked, click Apply. You'll then want to open up a project that's stored on a network drive. When you try to open up a project, it will then ask if you want to load the project using Network Checkout. To proceed with the checkout, click Checkout. If you click Network, it will just load the project normally over the network. Depending on the size of the project and your network connection, this may take a few moments to finish as it transfers the project to your local drive. Once it's done, you can click OK. The project will then load from your local drive. If you were to now look at your network drive again, you'll find that the project you have just checked out is now in a zip folder, which both serves as a backup and prevents anyone from editing it while it is checked out. With the project checked out, you can continue working on your project. Loading times within a checked out project should be noticeably faster than if it were just opened over the network. Once you have finished, you can close the project or the program itself. The project will then be copied back to the network drive where it originally was. If there is a problem with your PC and Structural Toolkit does not close correctly while the project is checked out, the project may need to be manually checked in. To do this, you will first need to determine the location of your checked out folder. Typically it is in your C or D drive within your User Documents folder, and within Structural Toolkit v5, just like the address we have on the screen here. You will then need to manually move this project folder back to the network drive location and delete the zip folder there once done. That about covers checking out a project from a network drive. Feel free to check out our website for other tips and videos. Thanks for watching.